October 31st, 2021. Couple leaves left. This is about, it's been a warm October apparently, only 4 days below average in Boston. Whatever that means. Just take it at face value. Had some rain recently. It's doing okay here. It's well above because this section normally that's about 2 inches above the spot over that rock. And when the rain stops for a week, it's not that high. But yeah, there we are. This is actually rather high because the water's all the way back here. And this is like my emergency spillway. So it looks like it's kind of trickling through a little bit. This I raised and put on bricks. So it was 2 inches above the water the other day. There's another rock there. And there's another rock. Should be another rock there, but I think it's under the water. Covered by leaves at the moment. So yeah, this is up quite a bit. Quite a flow. But doing well. But yeah, this is what our backwoods looks like. There's our bridge. Repaired many a time. Someday we'll make it a little more permanent decking. The logs we put in 2013, I believe. And then the river rages on further upstream.